We don't see a lot of praise going to the U.S. government for the shortcomings associated with our initial response to COVID-19, and we ought to be grateful for that. I think one of the great virtues of our democracy is that the people have a say in how they're governed, and then we, by connection, are able to apply correctives to our own government if our government doesn't perform up to our expectations. We are a free and open society. We have freedom of expression. We have freedom of the press. And these are great advantages. And we have to preserve them, but we ought to maybe even take an opportunity to celebrate them. There's much to have grave concern about, but I think we ought to take a moment to restore a degree of confidence in our democratic principles and institutions and processes.